What's up, y'all? Renee, Land Acre Farms. Doing something I ain't supposed to do. Eating some ice cream for lunch. It's supposed to be like 90 today, so it'll probably turn my stomach inside out. But I wanted ice cream. So it's Sunday. I got some work to do. Let me stop smacking in here. It's Sunday. Got some work to do. Finally breaking down this old swing set that I've been needing to get to for a while. I'm gonna use it to build the structure that I'm about to work on. I'll let y'all know later. Baby chicks out doing their little dirt baths. I let them have a little bit of time outside this morning just to see how they'll do. And then a buzzard flew over and they went back in. So, but I'm gonna go and eat my ice cream and get back to what I was doing. First, they letting them out of the pen. I'm doing it in steps. So we got one curious. There we go. I think they've been out here for at least 3 weeks, so we're good. All right, got this tarp pulled out because they need a little more shade. Unless I can find a shade cloth I got that's small enough to drape up on the sides, because they're usually trying to hide from the sun. But it's overcast today. All right, I gotta get out of this black shirt. Woo! That black shirt was cool with the overcast, but now the sun out, oh no. This is why I wanted to make more shade. Because the heat of the day, they ain't trying to be out here. I'll figure something out. I'm gonna see if this is long enough. I didn't measure it first to just drape it across. That way they'll at least have all of this. And they can just come in here. So they won't all be stuck in there. So give me a few minutes. I ain't bring my tripod. Alright. So got my phone in the shade now. And gonna see what magic I can make happen. It might be a little funny. No, it ain't. Alright, found two of my little clips. I love these things. They're $1. Or instead of string, got some of these stakes. They can't wait to get this shade. Ain't that crazy? Look at that. It's extravagant, ain't it? They couldn't wait to get out in that shade. I'm all up close. Alright, they couldn't wait to get in the shade. So 1 to 3, hottest time of the day. So I'm gonna go and do stuff in the shade or under the carport doing some rearranging. But that's it for now. See y'all later. All right, just showing them enjoying the little quick shade that was put up. All of them came out pretty much. Well, not all of them. Most of them came out. As soon as that tarp went up, they got to get a break from the sun. Oh yeah, they ran out of there.